So because it is snowing right now, we are going to do some basic snow vocabulary. The first thing is that I said it is snowing. I did not say the snow is falling. You can say the snow is falling, but we don't usually use that in conversation. That is more common in poems, in songs, and in books. In normal speaking, we usually use snow as a verb. For example, right now, it is snowing. We expect it to snow tomorrow. It also snowed yesterday. It has snowed a lot this week. It hasn't snowed very much this year. It usually snows the most in January. And I'm catching my breath because I'm walking up a hill. So yeah, we usually use snow as a verb. And if we want to talk about how much it's snowing, we can use an adverb. Heavily. Heavily is the adverb for the adjective heavy. So right now, it is snowing heavily. Or we could say, it is snowing a lot. Another thing that we could say is it's really coming down right now, or the snow is really coming down. And if there's not much snow coming down, you can say it's barely coming down. Barely means very little. Or you could just say it's not snowing very much. Or it's snowing lightly. And although it's snowing quite heavily right now, we are only expecting 3 to 7 centimeters of accumulation. Accumulation is the noun for how much snow actually sticks to the ground. And the verb is to accumulate. So right now it's snowing quite heavily, but we don't expect it to accumulate very much, just 3 to 7 centimeters. So yeah, those are some basic words about snow. If there's anything else that you guys want to know about snow in English, please feel free to let me know.